Hey there! Ever tried to print a picture and ended up with something that looks like this? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to turn low-resolution images into high-quality masterpieces using AI. Ready to make your photos pop? Let's go! So, what exactly is image upscaling? It's like giving your pictures a digital makeover. Upscaling increases the resolution, making them bigger and crisper. Imagine taking a tiny thumbnail and transforming it into a stunning poster. Sounds cool, right? Now, let's talk about the magic tool we'll be using. It's called Proc AI. You can find it online at www.videoproc.com, and the best part, it's free. This tool uses advanced AI to make your images look fantastic. Perfect for those free photos you find on sites like Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay. Ready to see it in action? Here's a quick guide. First, head over to your favorite free image site. I'm picking this one from Unsplash. Go to Proc AI and hit Upload. Pick the image you want to upscale. You'll see some options. Choose how much you want to upscale: 2x, 4x, or more. For most images, 2x or 4x will do the trick. Click Upscale and let the AI work its magic. In a few seconds, you'll have a sharper, clearer image. Download it, and you're done. And there you have it. You've just upscaled an image using AI. Here are some quick tips to keep in mind. This AI is not totally free. It only allows up to 5 images for upscaling in free version. So what now? Don't worry, I have a solution for you. Go to the pinned comment. Boom! Now you can use it for free. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and tutorials. See you next time. Check out these related videos for more tips and tricks.